Welcome to a video that frankly shouldn't even exist. If the free market made any sense, the product I'm about to show you wouldn't exist, or it would cost 3 times as much. We live in a world where the word Pro usually means pay us $200 more. iPhone Pro, more expensive. AirPods Pro, more expensive. And then we have the Apple AirTag, current price, about $29 for one. And if you want to attach it to your keys, you need to buy a holder. Let's say another $5. We are looking at almost $34 just for the privilege of finding one set of keys. But what if I told you that Pro could mean something else? This is the new Ugreen Finder Pro. Inside this box are not one, not two, but 4 trackers. And the price for this entire Pro package? Right now, under $40. Do the math with me. That is $10 per unit. You get 4 of these for less than the price of a single base model AirTag. But here is the catch you're all looking for. Is Pro just marketing fluff? No, because this $7 tracker does 2 things the $29 AirTag can't. It is rechargeable via USB-C. Say goodbye to buying batteries. It works with both Apple and Google Android. Today we are doing the ultimate deep dive. This isn't a 5-minute short. We are taking our time. We are testing range, volume, and answering the big question, is this the tech deal of the year or too good to be true? I've banished my AirTags to the drawer. Today I'm upgrading my entire life to Ugreen. Let's get into it. Let's unbox the Finder Pro. Even the name makes me smile. Ugreen calls it Pro, puts 4 in a box, and charges less than the competition does for one. That is the kind of arrogance I love, if the product delivers. The form factor, it's a rounded square, matte black or gray. Let's compare it to the AirTag. The AirTag has that beautiful chrome back, looks amazing, for exactly 3 minutes, then it's scratched to hell. The Finder Pro, the matte plastic forgives everything. Scratches, barely visible. Fingerprints, nope, this is designed for the real world. The keyhole. I have to harp on this. See this hole in the corner? You put your keyring through it? Done. Cost? $0. Why can't Apple do this? Because they want to sell you accessories. Ugreen gives it to you for free. The USB-C revolution. Now flip it to the side. See that slot? A full USB-C port. Let's talk batteries. An AirTag uses a CR2032 coin cell. It lasts about a year, then it dies. You drive to the store, buy a battery, pry it open, swap it, throw away trash. The Finder Pro, the built-in battery, also lasts up to 12 months, a whole year. And when it dies, plug it in for 2 hours. No waste, no ongoing costs. That is real Pro design. Before we turn it on, we need to understand why this thing is special. The box says, works with Apple Find My and Google Find My device. Many people think, cool, so I can track it on my iPhone and my Samsung at the same time. Stop, that is wrong. Think of the Finder Pro like a bilingual translator. It speaks English, Apple, and German, Google, but it can only speak one language at a time. Why? Security and encryption. This is the first tracker in this price range that can swap its soul with a button press. Use it as a Google tracker today, switch to iPhone in 2 years, reset it, and it becomes an Apple tracker. That is investment protection. Enough theory. I'm currently Team Android, so let's set one up on Google's network. Step 1, wake up. Hold the button for 3 seconds. Sound, beep, it's awake. Step 2, fast pair. Look at my phone, Bluetooth is on. Boom. Pop up, Ugreen Finder Pro detected. Just as magical as Apple. No app download needed. Step 3, config. I name it keys. Done. Deep dive. We are now in the native Google Find My Device app. We see the map, the play sound button, and the battery status. Since it's USB-C, hopefully that stays full for a long time. Quick note on Google's network. It relies on other Android phones. In cities, it's flawless. In rural areas, it might take a bit longer for a ping than Apple right now, but the network is growing daily. Now, let's simulate a crisis. You switch to iPhone. Is this tracker e-waste? No. The reset process, 1 press, 2, 3, 4, and on the 5th, hold. Sound, reset tone. Now it's blinking differently. It's back in pairing mode. I grab my iPad, open, find my, add item, boom, Ugreen Finder Pro. In under a minute, we turned a Google tracker into an Apple tracker. That is freedom. We are at the end of our deep dive. Let's remove the emotion and look at the cold hard math. Imagine a household tracking 4 items: car, keys, backpack, suitcase. Option A, Apple AirTags 4 times AirTags, approximately $140. 4 times. Holders minimum $20. Batteries over 5 years, approximately $20. Total 5-year cost, approximately $180. Option B, Ugreen Finder Pro 4-pack. Upfront cost under $40. Holders $0. Built-in hole. Batteries $0. USB-C. Total 5-year cost $40. $180 versus $40. You save $140. What do you lose? You lose precision finding, the green arrow /UWB. Yes, that feature is cool, but is it worth $140? For me, no. The Finder Pro is louder, it's tougher, it's more sustainable, and it works with any phone. My verdict: buying an AirTag in 2026 is basically burning money. The Ugreen Finder Pro 4-pack is the market disruptor we needed. I dropped the link to the 4-pack down below. Check if the price is still under $40. If it is, don't think, just buy. If I helped you save $140 today, drop a sub. See you in the next one. Ciao.